guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Amanda and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Dish. I do a lot of videos on cooking, cleaning, taking care of your home, and just surviving motherhood. So I would love for you guys to subscribe so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I'm going to show you guys everything that I carry around in this bag. Now I'm going to get started right away with what is in my bag. So this bag is the Teddy Blake bag and it is the Vanessa Palmetto model. It is such a pretty bag, you guys. It's so versatile. It's black, which is usually what I get for the winter. It'll just go with everything. It's black on the outside, black on the inside, and there are so many different colors and options that you can get. You should definitely check out their website if you guys are in the market for a new handbag. They're just awesome. So anyways, this one in particular has a latch that keeps the handle closed, and once you open it up, it's got two sections, and then the middle section has a zipper if you want to keep things like super safe. But it carries a ton of stuff, and being a sports mom, I usually carry a ton of stuff, so this is super handy for me. But I'm gonna get right into what is in here. So I'm going to start with my wallet. Don't mind my wallet. It is really rickety and old looking and I need a new one. It's not very organized. My cards are like about to fall out, but this is it. I'm in the market for a new wallet. If you guys have any wallets that you really love that are like a decent price, I'd love for you to share them down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys got. And then I also carry around a second wallet. Now this wallet, it's also pretty rough looking, but in here I carry gift cards and rewards cards and stuff like that. All the cards that make my main wallet just like way too heavy and thick and just a pain to haul around. So I've got two wallets. Of course, I have my phone. Now the other thing I'm in the market for is a new iPhone. So I'm looking at the new iPhone 11. If any of you guys have it, let me know in the comments down below how you like it. I really want a phone with a good camera. So I'm thinking either the X or the 11. Next up, I've got a scratch ticket that I won $12 on. So I'm gonna hang on to that. I'm gonna go to the store and get some more tickets with my winnings, I guess. My boys actually make me carry around their wallets in my purse, so I like to carry it for them because for safekeeping, they're just not responsible enough to keep these in their pockets. So their birthday money and Christmas money and stuff like that goes in here. Obviously not all of it, but just enough that if they want to buy something, it's in here. And then I've also got my headphones. This one is for my phone. I'm not cool enough yet to have the AirPods like my son does, but maybe one day I'll get those. But until then, I just these are like fine for me. I don't really need the AirPods, so I carry those. I also have another, where are my other headphones? Oh, I have another set of the same headphones but with a different plug-in because this is for my laptop. So these I use for my video editing when I need to listen to my videos. I also have a 12-volt charger because I need to get a new one. This one broke and we need it for one of our devices downstairs. So I put this in my purse so that I would not forget to go get a new one. So that's why I'm hauling that thing around. Let's see what else do I have. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my makeup bag actually. It's not really my makeup bag, it's like a little mini toiletry bag, and I haul it around with me so that I have everything. This I had since Emmett was born. It's jujube. It's kind of rickety looking also, so I should probably replace this one. But oh, see, this is my hand sanitizer spray that is empty, so I'm assuming, and this was just full, like I just got it, so it's looking pretty sticky in here. So this must have spilt in here, but if you guys want to know what it is my blood orange hand sanitizer spray from the Grove Collaborative, and I really, really like it. It's awesome. I'm going to have to get another one. But now I'm going to have to clean out my toiletry bag here. So I've got my Blistex medicated for the winter time. It's like, I can't leave the house without it. I've also got my Tiger Balm. This, all my stuff in my purse looks like really nasty. You guys are probably like, ooh, what the heck is she carrying around? But anyways, this is my Tiger Balm. It smells like really medicinal. like, I don't know, like menthol-y, like kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, but anyways, it's like, it's a cooling sensation, and I love to carry it around because I put it on my head when I have a headache, and it works. Even sometimes just the smell works for like stress and just to calm you down and make you feel relaxed. So I have that in there. I have my little guy's puffers. I have some Halls candies, which are now sticky because that sanitizer is built in here, so that's not fun. I've got some Advil. I've got my favorite lipstick, which, ooh, it's also sticky. It's called Born With It. It is by Maybelline, and this is actually what I have on right now. So if you guys don't have this and you're looking for like a basic, like kind of like neutral lipstick that goes with everything, this one is my favorite. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I've got some like feminine products, some more lip glosses and stuff like that. And of course, travel size body lotions, because you can never have you can never have enough cream, especially in the winter time. My little guys Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer is attached to here. Of course, I would not be a hockey mom without a mouth guard in my purse. So I've got that. I also have my little guy's inhaler, because when he gets sick, he tends to need his inhaler. I've got some Trident gum, some more hockey mom stuff, some cards, some hockey cards. Got those. Obviously they're not mine. I've got a receipt for some gas in here. Oh, this is the cream that I use. This is a L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Moisturizer. So this is the one that I've been using right now. It has sunscreen in it, SPF 30. I wanted to make sure I had one with sunscreen because, as you know, sun gives you skin damage, and as you start aging, that's really not the best for your skin. So I wanted to make sure I had one with SPF. Now I also have my hand cream in here. This one is also from the Grove Collaborative. It is the Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore. I love this one. It smells like tropical coconut, and it works fantastic. It's always leaves my hands nice and soft. So, oh, I also have my Zarabee's Naturals Honey. These are called the Honey Cough Soothers Plus Immune Support. I might sound a little bit stuffy right now because last week I was sick and I was super stuffed up. So I had these on me all the time. Let's see. Oh, I've got a package of chai tea from Tim Hortons. I've got a spare set of keys to my hubby's truck. I have a fossil shark tooth that Chandon got yesterday, and he of course put it in my bag for safekeeping. Let's see, I've also got some lottery tickets here. Now a few of us hockey parents went in and we pooled together and just bought some tickets. It's just something fun that we do once in a while. If there's a big jackpot, we hope that we can win as a group, because I thought it would be really fun. Wouldn't it be fun if some you know, hockey parents won? That would be really neat, but it's definitely a long shot. Some paint chips. We did just paint this bedroom, guys. This was the same color that I had in the other house. It is by Benjamin Moore, and it's called Palladian Blue. It's the top one up here. I really love that color, so I wanted it again in this bedroom. And then this paint chip actually is for the downstairs kitchen and family room area, and we are planning to put gray mist in there, but this is pretty banged up looking, so it's probably hard to tell, but it's kind of like a white with a hint of gray. So that's the plan for down there. I've got my little pen here with my multicolor. What else? Okay, these are called Plinth Clips. Now these go on the bottom of the, like the bottom of the cabinets, the legs. So you clip those onto the legs and then you screw in the kick plates. So we need to get some more of these. I'm on the hunt for these because I can't find them online and they were not at Home Depot. So I need to find some more so we can put our kick plates up down there. I've got a couple of suckers here. Picked those up from my accountant's office. Some more hockey mom gear, some white hockey tape. Can't leave the house without this. I've got a coupon here. This is one Scoopy token from Culver's. Another receipt. A couple of loose coins are down here, so I'll have to put that in my wallet. And that's it for the big compartments. In the middle, I've got my cheapy sunglasses. I don't buy expensive sunglasses because I typically break them and sit on them and scratch them, and I don't want to be sad ruining like $100 sunglasses. So these are like maybe $8. So I'd rather buy like 3 pairs of $8 sunglasses over the year rather than spending more. We're down to the last couple items. I just have an erasable pen. I really love erasable pen, guys. I just bought this one the other day, but I just love it because you can write in pen and then you can just like erase it if you've made a mistake. I especially like to use these on those mom calendars because I do all the kids like hockey schedules. If I make a mistake or if there's a change, I can just easily erase it. So that's why I got that one. This one's a regular pen, and then I just have the like fine point and then the thicker point marker, permanent marker. But that is it for my purse. So as you guys can see, what I really love about this is now that it's all empty, if you have any crumbs in here, you can literally just take your vacuum and like just vacuum it out, or you can just like stick it upside down and shake it out in the garbage. It's really nice and sturdy and thick, so that can be easily done. But isn't this just a gorgeous purse? So again, if you guys are interested, you can go ahead down below in my description box and I'll have a link where you can pick up one of these purses. So this one is a Teddy Blake Vanessa Palmolato purse. Like I said, it comes in a ton of colors. But I'm gonna get going because I have to take my son to hockey practice now. So I gotta pack this all up, and I might even throw a book in here for me to read. And the other nice thing is actually my laptop fits in here. So if I have some video editing to do, I can just take it with me to the rink. I just throw the laptop in here and it's not even super big. This one is, I think, the 12-inch if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it's the 12-inch, so it's the perfect size. Anyways, now I'm really gonna get going. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that like button if you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.